Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. We will read about the social study grade 5 unit number 2. We will read in this unit about the different regions of Pakistan, mountains present in Pakistan like Himalayas, Karakoram, Hindu Kush and their peaks. We will also read about the plateaus of Pakistan, coastal areas and deserts. We will read about the salt range and second largest salt mine which is present in Kyoda. Firstly, we will start our words meaning. Our words meaning is present on your notes. Latitude अर्ज बल्द चौड़ाई, लॉन्गिट्यूड तूल बल्द लंबाई, हॉरिजॉन्टल उफकी, वर्टिकल सीधी अमूदी, डिग्री जाविया पैरेलल्स मतवाजी, इक्वेटर ख़ते इस्तवा, एलिवेशन बुलंदी, प्रोमिनेंट नामवर इम्तियाजी, लेजेंड रवायती या फ़र्ज़ी दास्तान. Our first short question is, which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest. It is 8,847 meters high. How many deserts are there in Pakistan? There are 4 deserts in Pakistan. Thar Desert, Cholistan Desert, Thal Desert, Haran Desert. What is Indus Delta? The Indus Delta is marked by several tributaries of the Indus River from Thatta to Arabian Sea. What do you know about Kyoda? Kyoda is famous for having world's second largest salt mine. Our first long question is, why is Karakoram Range famous? Give 2 reasons. Karakoram Range is famous because the K2 or Mount Godwin Austen, the second highest top in the world, is here. The Karakoram Highway had been made along the river Hunza. It is the highest paved road in the world. Write the main characteristics of plateaus of Pakistan. Pothohar Plateau, minerals like oil, gas, salt, coal and gypsum are found here. The Kohistani-Namak is in the south of Pothohar Plateau. This range has great salt mines of Kyoda, the second largest salt mine in the world. The Balochistan Plateau, there are salt lake and famous Haman Mashkal Lake in this area. Coal, natural gas, chromite, iron and copper are some of the minerals that thrive the Balochistan Plateau. Question number 3. What do you know about Cholistan Desert? Cholistan Desert is situated in northeast of Punjab near Bahawalpur, Bahawalnagar and Rahim Yar Khan. It is also called Rohi in local dialect. People of Cholistan make their living by cattle trading. Diravar Fort in Cholistan has special historical importance. Our question number 4. Write a short note on the coastal areas of Pakistan. Pakistan has almost 1046 km of coastline along the Arabian Sea. This area is the hub of sea trade in the world. Pakistan has 2 ports in Sindh, Karachi Port and Port Qasim, and Gwadar in Balochistan. Seashore of Pakistan is full of minerals wealth. Fishing is also the source of income for locals. Now we will solve our MCQs. First is K2 is situated in this range. Karakoram. Which river is the largest river in Pakistan? Indus. Which of the following deserts is situated in Balochistan? Haran. Another name of this desert is Rohi, Cholistan. Port Qasim is in Sindh. Now we will solve our fill in the blanks. Answer fill in the blanks is present on your notes. Fill in the blanks. Also MCQs present. Now first, the dash highway has been made along the river Hunza, Karakoram. A dash is a large flat area of land that is higher than the surrounding land plateau. The lower Indus plain includes most of the Sindh province and some part of dash Punjab, southern Punjab. D dash is in the eastern part of lower Indus plain, Thar. Pakistan has almost 1046 kilometers of dash along the Arabian Sea coastal area. Now we solve our true false. Our first statement is Himalayas is situated in the northwestern mountain range. False. The Koh-e-Sufed forms the border with Afghanistan. True. The second largest salt mine is in Kyoda. True. South of Punjab and Sindh consist of coastline falls. Haran Desert is situated in the northwest of Balochistan. True.